Hello viewers, welcome to Hacker. Today I'm going to show you a better function to use in Excel, which is better than vlookup, hlookup and xlookup combined, which is called DGET. And before I can talk about this function, I just want to thank this company that has sponsored this video. It is called MoBNB. It's a money making platform. I will show you its Facebook page so that you can follow and be part of this earning team here. And I could like also to thank this company, which is called Benjas Master Tech. They are a technology mastering company based in Lesotho, and they specialize in developing school management system for high school and both tertiaries. And they specialize in web development. They design and they do everything, guys. Please make sure that you follow their Facebook page and get more info about them. And I'm going to show you their Facebook page. Their Facebook page is here. Just go and search Benjas Master Tech on your browser and you will see more about this company. You can see it's a Benjas Master Tech here, and this is the MoBNB company that I was talking about that has also sponsored this video. Please make sure that you go to Facebook and search about them. So now let us get back to our function that I'm going to show you today. So let us compare vlookup and this DGET function that I have for you, and we are going to take our employee ID and the salary here. I'm going to copy only these two columns here. We have employee and salary. Let us say now we want to check this first employee. Here we are going to use vlookup. Let me type it out here. vlookup. And here we are going to use the get function. This is the function I'm suggesting you should use. And we are also going to paste this what we have selected here. Copy and paste here. Right. Then we are going to compare vlookup to this DGET so that you can see DGET is the very interesting function to use rather than using both vlookup, hlookup and xlookup. So now we have this employee that we are going to compare, or that we are going to select its salary from our employee table here. So let us say vlookup, then we look up array. Our lookup array is this one. We want to look for this employee and we go for table array. Then we are going to select all of this table here, comma, then we have to find our column index number. Then we have our columns here, and this is the column number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7, and we have column number 7. Then we say comma, then we want it to return the exact match, which is false. Then we close our bracket and hit enter. You can see this is the salary we are looking for. And now when we come to the get here, we are just going to type the get, and here we are going to select our table. We have to select all of this table and comma. Then we have to click the field that we are looking for. Then when we are looking for this salary, and we say comma, then the criteria. So criteria is the employee number, both employee column and the employee number that is provided here. Then we have to close our brackets and hit enter. You can see. So this is a short function that you can use. So let me show you why I'm saying you should use DGET rather than using vlookup. So on vlookup here, if I type 102, let us say 102, it is going to change. Also here, if I type 102, it is also going to change, which is very good. And if I want to change here, let us say now I don't want to check the salary, but I want to check the last name. It is still showing the amount or the salary. So on the DGET here, if I just change the salary to last name, it is going to change. You see, hence why I'm saying this one is more simple than. And if you can remember very well, on my previous video I did show you how you can use vlookup to change this column here that we have over here. I think you all remember I have provided it on our previous video. So this is very interesting to use the DGET, because whatever you want to change is going to be very quickly and simple and straightforward. So let us validate this so that we cannot always type every time. So let us change this to be our columns, our column headings. Then we have a drop down here, and we can also make a validation for this ID here. So the DGET is very interesting, guys. So let us say now we just want to see the salary. You can see we have the salary. Let us change the employee ID to be 100. You can see it's very simple. So make sure that you move to DGET rather than using vlookup, xlookup and hlookup. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure that you like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you cannot miss any videos coming. Thank you.